today we are going to be planting some salvia. So the type of salvia that we're planting today is a proven winner. It's called Playin the Blues, and it gets to be about 4 feet tall and 3 feet wide. So it says, but I have often seen where they get much wider than that. So we shall see how they do for us here in the Pacific Northwest. Now this is technically listed as an annual, but it also says hardiness zones are zone 7A through 10B. So I'm hoping that it will hopefully overwinter for me here where I'm at in zone 8B. I'll be planting 3 in this inner circle here and then 3 in this other inner circle over here. I almost put my hand on this post, and if I had, it would have went right on this spider. Thank goodness I did not. I do not remember what my husband's project was that day, but he stopped to ask me a question on something, like what opinion I preferred, and I love him when he does that. And now I'm just trying to evenly space out these plants with my handy dandy, technically sound measuring gear, my feet. It looks good. So now I am just raking back the mulch from around the hole where I'm going to plant, because I'm going to use the auger to plant it, and I am trying not to get the mulch dirty. We'll see if it works. Well, here's to seeing if this works. Shoot, I think the battery's worn out. Might help if I had it in forwards instead of reverse. Oh, brother. Battery is going out though. Yeah. There's nothing. Yep. Shoot, I'll have to come back out here later. Hopefully it won't be too hot. Let's go ahead and get that first one in the ground. While we're here waiting for the battery to charge, let me show you a few things. The deer ate my golden celebration roses right here. But despite the fact that they ate these 3 yarrows down to the roots last fall after we planted them, they all survived. Now over here in this other inner circle, they ate all 3 of these as well. This one didn't fare as good. 1 got lost out of this 3, so I'm going to have to buy another one to complete that section. But I'd say 5 out of 6 making it back out of being eaten down to the roots is pretty much, I'll call that a win. Over here, these salvia are not growing back, and I thought they were supposed to be a perennial in my zone. So what are these? These salvia are the, shoot, I can't remember getting the tag. I think they're the Sally Fun Blue Ice is what they are. And I thought they were supposed to be a perennial above zone 7. So I don't know. It looks kind of like there might be a little bit green trying to pop back underneath one of them. I guess we'll just have to wait and see if the other one pops back through too. The deer ate that also, the strong box. The deer ate that as well. And so I'm pretty sure they would probably maybe munch on boxwood too. Who knows? But they are leaving the rosemary alone, so that's what we're going to put all the way around in every section. Continuing to wait for the battery to charge, I am just over here trying to find the holes in this brown drip tubing so I can mark with my hand where I'm going to plant the salvia so I don't forget where the holes in the tubing are when I use the auger. And now I have pretty much decided that I am done waiting for the battery to charge. So I'm going to use a bigger battery from the bigger auger for this little one, which I don't like to do because it gives the little auger a bit too much power and kickback for me to control, but I was losing my patience. So I went ahead and used it anyways and got these planted in the ground real quick. It was getting real hot and I am not made for the heat, that is for sure. And just in case you all didn't think Dexter came and bugged me today. Okay, well, all of them are in. That took a lot longer today than I anticipated. It'll only probably be like 5 minutes for you guys, but it's practically it's been at least 6 hours for me. So, and there's those three. The salvia's in, and I can't wait until they start growing and getting bigger. Some of them already had blue buds on it, so those should bloom pretty soon. So I'm gonna try some of this right here. This is Repels All stuff, deer, critters, insects, supposedly, rodents. So we shall see if this works. It's all natural safe. It says it's pet safe, so it's like the ingredients are cloves, cinnamon, egg solids, and garlic oil. I don't know. We're gonna just sprinkle some of this and see how this works. I'll let you know how it works. Crossing my fingers. Don't have high expectations. Things seem to work better when you don't have high expectations. Thanks for watching and thanks for waiting today. And I'll see you guys on Monday. Until then, feed the pollinators for me.